Hello viewer, I am Vivas Malik and in this video I will share with you a method about how you can convert any video into realistic cartoon animated video in a free by just few click in a free. I already had created a video about how you can create AI image in a free. Here you can see, and the video link in this video description. If you want to watch that video, then you can watch from there. To create animated video, this is the website. I will give this link in this video description. Click on this local file and upload your video. Suppose I want to create animated video on this video, then select the video, click on open. It will automatically start the processing. Here you can see already processing the video. Let's same way upload two more videos to view how does it work. Click on local file. For this you don't need sign up or login anything. You can simply upload your video file and it will automatic generate animated video. Here you can see the first video processing is output. This is the first video. Original video is here. Now let's play animated video. Let's zoom in. Let's check second video. How look like our video. This is still in a processing 80% and the third video is 66%. Let's view this video original. This is the place where I live and the output is, you can see the difference. Here you can see the difference of, and this is the third video. Let's play in a full screen. This is our input video. Let's view output video. Click on full screen, play. This is the output of video. You can simply download from here. This three dot, click on this and download and use it for your Instagram post or Facebook post or YouTube video. If you found this video is helpful, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to reach first 1000 subscriber, and also like this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press on bell icon. Thanks for watching video.